Okay, welcome. I've got the camera upside down. I'm easy to point. I've got everything done. I'm okay. 1 and 12 equals 13. 1 and 3 equals to 4. 1 and 12 equals to 13. 1 and 3 is 4. 12 equals to 87. 1 equals to 34. 3 equals to 56. 12 equals to 87. 1 and 2 is 3. The same thing. The difference is 31. Altered current. 34 equals to 90, your birth. 34 equals to 111, the top story to the Twin Towers. Purple is the 12 ball. 88 for purple, 27 for red, 92 for yellow. I use the Y letter to describe it. 11, 9, 7, 9, 11. The buildings went down. 4 is the reflection of 12. 11 is the reflection of 3. 9 is the reflection of 1. 4, 15, and 9, 24. 12, 3, and 1, 23, 24. 12 and 3 is 15, 16. This equals 7, this equals 6. This over here will be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 equals 2. 6, 12, 16 equals 72. 72 is the creation number because nothing actually begins until 3 on the cube when 3 can create 9. 7 and 2 are not on the cube. The 7 is a direct explanation of 1 and 6. There is no other 7. Or it's an explanation of 2 and 5 for the only 7, but 2 alone has 7 ghosts. That's all we need to know. The 7th gate in Venus. 313. 34, 7, 2, 6. 6, 9, 3. 7, 9, 11. The Twin Towers went down. Yellow with 1. Okay, we're going to do it all the way up and show you at the end. But when you have 1, okay, you will have 9. 1 and you have 9. When you have 12, you will have 4. When you have 3, you have 11. 11 and 3 is 14. 4 and 12 is 16. 9 and 1 is 10. 9 and 1 is 10 is 1. 11 and 3 is 5. 4 and 12 is 16 is 7. So you have 1, 11 and 3 is 5 and 7. 1, 5, 7. In the 2 world, you have 2 and 10 that come together. 2 and 11 equals 13. 1 and 3 equals to 4. We're talking about 4 here. We just want to talk about 4. 4 is the gateway, is the passage of 360. 58 equals to 110. 111, 110, 121. 11 times 11 is 121. This one is 2 blue equals to 40. Red 27 equals to 67. 10 equals to 39. 3 equals to 56. I thought I did this video before. I hope I'm not overdoing this video again. 4 and 9 equals to 13. 60 and 42 equals to 102, or 108 makes it 168. That would count for your week. So I have to find a program that matches 4 and 12. 12 and 1 is 13. 4 and 9 is 13. This would be 3 and 1, and the reflection of this one over here. Now 4 comes in reflection of 12, where 12 now fits into altered current. So Mars fits into altered current, where 1 and 2 come together again. 3 and 4 is the DC world. Do you follow what I'm saying? 9 and 1 and 9 and 1 come over here inside the 4 world. See where 4 is on this side? Now 4 is on this side. I cannot use 3. Okay, I don't use 3. I use 12 over here because 4 is the opposite of 12. I use 12 over here to get 1, but I can't use 12 and 4 to get 16. When I use 12 and 4 to get 16, I will be looking for the 7 world. Number 7. Here, 12 and 4 will equal to your 7. 12 and 11 equals to your 5. 12 and 9 equals to your 3. But we're not looking. We're looking for 1 and 12, which equals to 4. 3 and 1 is 4. 3 and 1 is 4. That's what we're looking for. 4 and 9 is 13. 1 and 3 is 4. 12 and 1 is 4. This is why it's set up this way. Then we have 4 and the cue ball, because 4 and nothing equals to 89. 89 is the high sky. 7 and 2. I'm not quite sure of my complete setup with this, so I'm running down. Here is the 13 ball. The 13 ball runs with the 5, and the 5 runs with the 8. There is no other ball with the 8 because the 8 is the ball that's in between the two worlds. That means the 5 and the 13 are in between the two worlds. And to create the 5, which is an orange ball, it takes yellow and red. Yellow and red. Yellow and red. 1 and 3. Yellow and red to create the orange sun. And it creates the letters M-E-R. M-E, me, R, mother. It equals to 13, 5, and 18. R is 18. 6 and 7 equals to 13. 14 and 6, which is the green ball. 7 and 15, which is the burgundy ball. 7 is 65. 15 is 55. 11, 11. Black is 29, 11. White is 65, 11. 3 is 56, 11. So this is the basic setup inside of pool. 13 orange, 10 blue, 1 yellow. 13 is 10. 13 is 4. 10 and 1. 10 blue is actually a 1 ball. So the blue and the yellow go together. But the blue ends up to create the 7 burgundy because blue is 10. 1 and 0 equals to 16. 1 and 6 equals to 7. And the 10 blue is an equivalent as 16 to the 4 and the 12 ball. I know this is very confusing because I haven't really put this together. I'm just showing you the dimensions that you can use these numbers in the 4 worlds. Now there's other worlds because 1, okay, and I have this somewhere else. 1 goes with 3, 1 goes with 6, and 1 goes with 9. 1 goes with 3, 6, 9. When 1 goes with 3, 6, 9, the 3 goes with the 11. The 6, I'm going to mark this down. The 1 goes with 3, 6, 9, and the 3 goes with the 11, the 6 goes with the 14, and the 9 goes with the 1. See how perfect this is? This becomes 2, 5, 1. This becomes memory inside yellow ball. Memory rotation of 3, 6, 9. When you have 2 and 11, okay, your 2 and your 5 create 7. Your 2 and your 2 and your 8 become 7, become 4 or 13. 1 and 3 is 4, and 8 and 2 is 10. So 10, 4, and 7. So now you create the 3 worlds. Your 5 gets 13, your 2 gets 10, your 8 gets the cue ball. The only thing is these 2 balls will go together at the end. Your 4 ball will get the cue ball because we don't need anything to hit the 4 worlds. We'll also get the 9 ball. 9 and 4 equals to 13. 1 and 3 is 4. The 4 will also get the 6 ball, and the 4 will get the 3. 3 gets 11. 6 gets the 14. 9 gets the 1. And 0 gets 0. Double 0. Do you follow what I'm saying? 4 and 9 is 13. 1 and 3 is 4. 4 and 6 is 10. 1 plus 0. In fact, I believe 10, 11, 12 are numbers, and 1 and 2 are not numbers. Okay? And 4 and 3 equals to 7. That will be 2. That will be 5. That will be 1. 2, 5, 1 memory. 2, 5, 1 memory. 1, 2, 5 memory on the 1. And the 4. 1, 5, 2. The same numbers, the same 3, 6, 9. Now we have the 5 ball. With the 5 ball, you need 2, you need 5, and you need 8. With the 2, you get 10. With the 5, you get the 5. For the 5 and 2 is 10. 5 and 2 is 7. 5 and 5 is 10. And 5 and 8 is 13. And you get no balls over here. 80 is the world. 80 gets 6 becomes 86, the 9 lives of the cat, where it goes back to number 1 again, but I'm not going to explain that because I'm still having trouble. Here you get 5, 1. This is aerial Mars. This becomes 5, 7, 6. 5, 6, 7 equals 18. This becomes your angel resident, the spirit inside the 8 heaven, because 0 equals 6, 0 equals 6. 16, 18. 5, actually, this is 5, 10, and this would be 14, 5. Now, inside the 6 area, where 6 gets 7, it's an automatic. 6 and 7 is 13. Where 6 and 1, where 6 and 4, where 6 and 7, where 1 gets 9, where 4 will get 12, and where 7 will get 6 and 7 will get the 15 ball. This will be 9, this will be 3, this will be 6. This will be 9, this will be 3, this will be 6. This will be 9, 3, 6. So the 1, 4, and let me see this. 6 and 1. 6 and 1 is 7. 6 and 4 is 10. 6 and 7 is 13. So the 6 number, the 4 number, and the 1 number come together inside memory. 147 comes together over here. 147 doesn't come together anywhere else. 512 memory. 639, 51 Mars. I'm not explaining it totally properly, but you get the drift. You get the drift. I have a phone ringing, which I can't answer right now. So I'm just going to avoid it out. So you follow what this does over here. 14, okay, is 4 and teen gets 104, 164. Zion, Israel, connected to the 15. It becomes 169, 13 times 13 when you put these two balls together. 14 and 15, 29, and this is what creates pi. Now, why do we get this? Because 6 gets 7 for 13. 6 and 14 come together as 20. 7 and 15 come together for 22. The total is 42. 9 lives of the cat. When you go to 4, 9, 4 gets 12, 16. 9 gets 1, 10, 24. 9 lives of the cat. 2 gets 10, equals to 22. 11 gets 3 is 14, equals to 26. 12 and 11 and 3, 14 and 12, 26. This becomes the doghouse right over here. When one gets 9, did I do that right? When 1 gets 9, that equals to 10. And when 3 gets 11, that equals to the same thing, 24, 9 lives of the cat. Now when it gets 12, 1 and 12 come together over here. 1 and 12 come together. So 1 comes together with 9, and 12 comes together with 4. 12 and 4 is 16. 9 and 1 is 10 is 26. Again, the dog and the dog. We get 2 dogs. This one becomes 14 and 12, 26 dog. This becomes 26 dog. This becomes 4 and 12, 16, 26 dog. Did I get this right? 14 and 6 is 20. 7 and 15 is 22. And this is 20. This is 42. This is the opposite. This is cat over here. 24 cat or 42 cat, 26 dog or 62 dog. The dog is the queen and the cat is the 9 lives of your birth. Okay, so this is the basic of this. Raphael, and I wish I can get it together a little bit better. I know I didn't explain it right. 13 equals to 99. 28 and 27, 55. 99, 13. Altered current plays again inside Jupiter. Jupiter seems to be an electronic planet of some sort. That's why it's the biggest planet holding all memory. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching.